Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Colorful Seasons stamp set. I'm using Berry Burst as my color for the blossoms, and I'm using second generational stamping. So stamping the first time full strength, and then stamping, like twisting the stamp to make a different direction, and stamping a second time. So I have some early espresso ink here. It's very dark brown, and I've stamped the sentiment. And then I went back with the cherry blossoms just because I needed placement. And actually, had I moved that Life is a Beautiful Thing sentiment just slightly over to the right, I think I would have liked it better. However, you know, it's a handmade card, and, you know, sometimes placement doesn't always go the way you wanted. So I'm using the Early Espresso to stamp the branches. And then I will come in with the larger cherry blossom stamp and image, I should say, and then using second generational stamping to add some of those blossoms. So this is just a really quick, simple one-layer card with a lot of springtime feeling, really, and it's perfect for this time of year. I am using a pink pirouette card base, which is retiring. And I'm also using these little, I think they're called Bubbles and Fizz clear enamel drops. And I'm using the sparkling ones. You get two sheets, one clear and one kind of sparkly. And because I was doing a class that day, I had all of my tools kind of set up in the classroom. So I'm using these big Mongo scissors to lift the jewels up just because I didn't have my proper tools with me, but I was improvising. Anyway, that is my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.